Today we'll continue with the compound interest. Earlier we have done how to find the compound interest with the help of simple interest formula. From today we will find the compound interest with the help of direct formula. What is the direct formula? That is A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n. What it means? A means amount, P means principal, R means rate of interest, and N means number of years. So, like the first question is, find the amount and compound interest on rupees 16,000 for 2 years at the rate of 15% per annum, interest being compounded yearly. So first of all we'll write the formula. A is equal to principal into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n. Amount we have to find. Principal is 16,000, rate is 15% by 100, time is 2 years. 16 into 1, you can cancel this with 3, 20. 3 by 20 raised to the power 2, so this will be 16,000. 20 is the LCM. 20 plus 3 raised to the power 2, 16,000. 23 by 20, 23 by 20, 80, 40. Multiply, answer will be 21160. So compound interest will be 21160 minus 16,000, that is 5160. Question number 2. Question number 2 is calculate the interest earned on amount if the sum principal is 15,000 for 1.5 year at the rate of 8% per annum, interest being compounded half yearly. Now here you have to be careful. Principal is 15,000, rate is 8% per annum, पूरे साल का, ठीक है, for whole year, but you have to compound it half yearly. So in 1 year you have 2 half year, A divided by 2, it will be 8% half yearly, 4% half yearly, and time is 1 and 3 by 2 years. And how many years you have in half yearly you have in 1 year is into 2, it will be 3. So it will be 15,000 into 1 plus 4 by 100 raised to the power 3. It is 25. 15,000 into 1 plus 1 by 25 raised to the power 3. So it will be 15,000 into LCM is 25 plus 1 raised to the power 3. 15,000 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. After multiplying, answer will be 16,872.96, and the compound interest will be 16,872.96 minus 15,000. It will be 1872.96. Question number 3. how much will rupees principal is amount to in 2 years? Time 2 years. If the rate of interest for successive year, rate of interest for the successive year is 4% and 5% per year. Now in this question you have rate of interest for different for first year, say both the years. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power n. Amount is equal to 25,000 into 1 plus first year rate of interest is 4%. This is first year. So 1 plus 5 by 100 raised to the power 1. This is for second year. 25,000. 25. 1 plus 1 by 25. 20. 1 plus 1 by 20. 25,000. 25 plus 1. LCM 20 plus 1. So it will be 25,000 into 26 by 25 into 21 by 20. So we'll reduce it and the answer will be 27,300, and the compound interest will be 27,300 minus 25,000. So it will be 2300. So you have to be careful while doing the Another kind of sum you have is calculate the compound interest on rupees 10,000. Principal is rupees 10,000. Rate is at the rate of 4% per annum for 2.5 years. Interest being compounded yearly. So amount is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n. Amount is equal to principal 10,000. 1 plus rate 4%. Now if you see here, this is 2 years full and 1/2 year. To 2 years full. Now we left with half year. For half year, rate of interest will be half. 1 plus 2 by 100 raised to the power 1, because it is 4 to 2%. So 10,000 into 25, 1 plus 1 by 25, 50, 1 plus 1 by 50. So it will be 10,000 into LCM is 25 plus 1. 50 is LCM, 50 plus 1. So 10,000 into 26 by 25 into 51 by 50. Cancel. You will get the answer is 11032.32, and the compound interest will be 11032.32 minus 10,000. It will be 1032.32. Okay. And question number 5. Rohan borrow 40,000. That is all for today. Thank you.